Lindsay and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, it has been so nice this week, and now of course it's raining today, but that's fine. Anyway, so today is a really quick and easy video. You might look at it and be like, it's really simple, but really what I wanted to show you guys with this video is some tips and tricks about jeans to choose that will make really cute like Bermuda style shorts, and also how I cut them and how I kind of like choose the length of them and stuff. So I thought that would be a really helpful video for the summer. If you have an old pair of jeans that you weren't sure would look good, or you want to thrift some jeans that like to make this style, I think that this video will be really quick and easy, helpful. So if you guys want to see how I style these, then definitely follow me on Instagram. I post lots of styling, outfits, and just everything there, so make sure to follow me on there. But without further ado, let's just get right on to this video so you guys can have Bermuda shorts too.
Alright everyone, so these are the first pair of jeans, and as you can probably see, they fit me really well in the waist and the bum, but they are quite wide legs. As soon as I hit the legs, there's just a lot of material. They're actually these boy shorts that I thrifted in Seattle last year that I knew I wanted to cut into shorts. So they're actually brand new, but they're literally from like the 2000s or 90s, because even like the hardware on it starting to look old, but they've never been worn because the tag's on it. Anyways, that was pretty cool. But the reason why I thought these would make really great shorts is because definitely you want shorts to like fit your waist and bum, but also a style I really like is having the legs looser so that it's not right tight on your legs, and I thought these would make the perfect shorts. So I actually made a little marking probably last year when I was going to cut them into shorts, but I wanted to test out if that was too short, because it definitely is really in right now to have the longer shorts. So I kind of tested around and like bent my leg to see where it would be, and I decided to go a bit longer, kind of where that like worn stain, not stain, but like thing is, you know what I mean? So I decided to go with that. What's really important when cutting your jeans is to lay them out flat and lay them out evenly, if you know what I mean. So basically I show you here, I make sure that the legs are completely flat, so both seams are on both sides. You don't want it to be kind of twisted because it won't be as accurate if you're cutting it on an angle, which is what I do. So you want to make sure the sides are laid out like that. You want to fix up the crotch area to make sure it is laid properly. And the most important thing is to lay the legs so they are at their natural state. So you don't want to put them too close together, too far apart. You want to put them at how they naturally fall. All right, so as you can see, you see that marking, and luckily I didn't use like a color marker, so I don't think it'll show up too much, especially once I wash them. But I just took my blue marker and I basically made a diagonal line. So I always make a diagonal line when I am cutting shorts. It's something about the fit of them. I don't know, when you cut them straight, I find it looks kind of weird whenever I've done it. So a long time ago, I learned to just always do it on an angle. So how I do it is I do that, and then I take my ruler and I kind of guesstimate across. So I make like the same angle on the other side. You could also cut one side first, fold it over, and then cut it. That's definitely an easier way to do it that I've seen over the years. But when I first learned how to do it myself, this is my method and it's tried and true for me, so I continue to do it. And then you can also use a heavy object like this water bottle to hold down your fabric so that you don't accidentally pull the back more or the front more and make it uneven. And then there you go. That is a very simple, easy DIY. And it looks so good. I literally am in love with these shorts. Alright, so these are the second pair of shorts, and as you can see, there's a couple things that I didn't love about them. So the bottoms are super flared and kind of in an awkward way, unfortunately. And then they're also two different colors, kind of like, see how the thighs are really light and then it doesn't continue all the way down. So I thought that it was time to make these into shorts. So again, how I cut them is I kind of looked where my knees are. I've been noticing in a lot of Instagram photos of girls wearing these Bermuda shorts that it falls above your knee, no shorter than like midway between your thigh and knee, or between like your leg, the top of your leg and your knee. You don't want to do it shorter than at least halfway, and if anything, you can do it a bit longer. So I just measured it out. I made one mark, and I did decide to go about voted in shorter than that, and I think that they turned out the perfect length. So if you need help guesstimating, that's kind of how far up I did it on my knee. Everyone's going to be a bit different depending on like if you have really long legs or short legs, but I think if you make sure you don't go more than halfway, you'll be set. Now I wanted to show you with these jeans, because I didn't show you the other ones, the other trick when you're laying out your jeans is that you want to make sure that your front of your jeans do not line up with the back. You want to, again, make sure that they fall naturally. So usually in the back, you have extra fabric to account for your bum. So you want to make sure that that piece is flat and the front piece is on its natural curve. If you pull it up, your jeans are just going to look wonky when you chop them. So again, I made my lines how I normally do and I cut them. But then I decided to do something a little different with these jeans because I wanted them more frayed. So I threw them in the wash and then in the dryer. And I unfortunately had to go, so I had to pull them out a bit early so they weren't completely dry when I pulled them out. That's why they're a bit wrinkly still. But as you can see, it makes a really beautiful, natural, frayed look. And those are the shorts.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you liked it, please leave a comment. If you like the tighter jean style or the looser jean style, let me know which one you like better. I'm really curious to see like your style. But other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I hope that the weather clears up and it's nice and sunny again. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Have an awesome night and I will see you later.